amount of water. You want to go swimming?
That's not safe. Look at the cars.
Those cars are blue. This is June 16th, reporting Jordan.
The flood?
Of the flood.
Jordan, take it above.
This window.
Well, you can put it in.
This is a very dangerous.
Jordan,
Honey, you gotta aim it above
the window.
Look at this mess. A complete disaster. All this used to be nice land, but now it is just disastrous waterlands. And maybe we get that roof from over here. Oh my goodness, look at all that water. What are we going to do? I hope God makes the sun shine on for a little bit longer. Oh my goodness gracious, what are we going to do? Let's see. Oh, look at these trees. They are just underwater. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at it. Look at that under complete water. This is totally distorted. I can't believe it. Well, signing off, Jordan Scott.
Watch the camera.
10 inches of rain. Right?
Jordan, get closer.
10 inches of rain. Right? And I can't believe all this rain, can't you? Yeah. People cannot put any water. Now, see, look, that is where they five up, but now they cannot. This is all way. Look at that car washer. Look at the big movie. Right. Look at over there. That's green. Oh! Look at over there. A house is underwater.
Stop it, Jordan.
Stop, Jordan. Stop, I said. See, we are not able to put people.
That's the fire department over there.
This is 35th and Brady. Or Harrison? This would be Harrison.
Mm-hmm.
This is incredible.
We are not able to get any people. There are too much water.
Okay.
That's enough, Mommy. I said that's enough. I'm gonna lose all the film.
Thank you, Patrick Star.
Mommy, shut it off. Try and look. Don't you see water? See water behind the house?
John can get to a little house. This is Duck Creek.
Today is Jordan's 8th birthday.
Look at him,
And here we have Patrick and our Adam celebrating his 8th birthday.
You didn't use Scotch tape.
I ran out. That's why I had to go to Farmville.
Oh yes, the hat I wanted! Yes!
Put it on.
Is that the one you wanted? Does it fit? Sort of. Or did you want the other one?
Oh, this is okay. I like this kind.
It doesn't fit, does it?
Yes, it does.
Does it?
Jordan, how about you open this one?
No.
Can I open this one? Look at looking at Daddy in the film.
George smile.
Let's look at them all. Open this.
I'm Grandpa. Where's the garbage bag? Fran, get a bag. No, Adam. Stay here, Bugsy.
Ninja toilet tape. And then the turtle tape.
From the movie. Yeah.
Oh.
Is that good?
I think we have that one.
No, we don't.
Oh, didn't Uncle Greg get it for us? Or is this a different one?
This is different.
Oh.
It's the soundtrack from the movie.
Oh. Can you open this one?
The white one.
I have a specific order for these. Twin smile.
Oh, honey, let him do the ribbon. He'll never get it off.
Jordan, smile. No, Jordan, when I'm gonna take the picture. Yeah, and hold it up.
Okay. Yeah, wait till it's done.
Jordan, want me to help you open this? No. A squirt gun! 2. Oh, radical! What? Look at these! Wait, Patrick, wait. Radical!
Well, I thought we'd get 2. That way, if, it's more fun if somebody does it with you.
Oh, cool! Jordan, hold them up.
They're not the real big ones, though.
Yeah, but these hold a lot of water. I can't figure out how you hold this one.
I don't know. We gotta take it out. Maybe then.
Jordan.
Christine, show it.
Jordan. Thanks, man. Can I open this one?
Yes.
And then the last one. Which one do you think you'll like better?
Probably the other. I don't know. I hope. I hope you like this.
You guys are the best. I tell you what this is.
No. No,
See how special that Jordan poster was? I don't want to make it away. This stop camera. This is black. You can't get one of these ones. Look
I thought we could hang it on the new play set.
Oh! What do you mean the new place? Something like that.
You have not?
Yes, I have. Because we don't go other ones jumped up. And we can't use it. Yeah, there's one in the storm that was good to use.
Yeah, because that was dangerous.
Yes! Yes! Now I figured that out on this part. But it's great. Now, does this take one of those batteries that you need to recharge? I don't know. Because I might need a big recharger.
Honey, it's not just like
Mommy,
the guys, but no, I took one.
It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Jordan, hold it up so I can
Wait till the light comes on.
This is.
You like it?
Yes. My dream has come true. Jordan, wait.
He's got to wait for the light.
You guys. Jordan, I am going to write thank you notes on there. The light is.
What's wrong with the light?
Jordan, want to open these guns? No.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jordan. Happy birthday to you.
I took one too. While you guys were seeing me.
Happy birthday, Jordan. 8 years old.
Peter, get in the middle of them. I want a picture of you too. Just stand there.
Should I have waited for
No.
I blew it out with all
No,
one
stand
time.
in the middle between Jordan and Adam. Just stand there for a minute. Boys,
Look at Mom.
cheeseburger, Adam.
Adam.
Oh, you're having fun.
Grandma, you're on videotape.
No, I hope not.
Adam Scar, being weird. Adam Scar, being weird.
Where's the ball go?
Where's the ball?
It's under her hands,
Where's the
Adam.
ball?
Look under Grandma's hands.
Where's the ball?
Adam,
Come back
look,
here.
Grandma's hand.
Where's the ball?
Under her hands.
Want to do it again? He's getting so tired. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Ask Mama, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Oh, ball, where are you, ball? Where's the ball?
Her hands.
Where's the ball? There's Patrick.
This is a stick.
There's Patrick. Where's the ball?
Watch him laugh.
You want to touch it? Touch it. Okay.
Oh, get the ball.
George, Patrick got it.
With the ball.
Oh! Watch, George, get over the end and I'll check it. Where'd that ball? Where'd that
Funny.
go? He threw it that time.
How could he be having this much fun?
Where's the ball? Ask George, Patrick, where's the ball? Over there? Is it over there?
Look at him.
Where's that ball?
Adam, I think it's in Grandma's hand.
Where's the ball? Where's the ball?
Bright.
Where's the ball? That's Daddy. Where's the ball?
Where'd the ball
That's
go?
Daddy. Where's the ball?
go, Adam?
Where's the ball? Where, oh, ball?
Look at
Where
the
are you?
ceiling.
Look at this. Where? Is it up there? Is it up there? Where's the ball?
Grandma, you're on videotape for real.
Oh, you want it back again?
Wow.